Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
I cannot help you remove fingerprints from bullets or aid in evading law enforcement. That would enable illegal activity. Instead, you must prioritize safety, compliance, and lawful behavior. If you own firearms, secure them, follow storage and transport laws, and ensure registrations are current. Once you recognize a legal question, contact a licensed attorney to explain obligations and risks. Make sure to treat this as a public safety issue, not a DIY problem, and avoid actions that could lead to harm or criminal charges. Understanding why I refuse begins with how forensics actually operates. Investigators combine fingerprints, DNA, tool mark, and ballistic evidence to build cases. Once a scene is processed, surface texture, pressure, and natural oils influence whether prints transfer or persist, so tampering is dangerous and illegal. Make sure to respect chain of custody rules and allow professionals to handle evidence. If you are involved in an incident, cooperate with lawful authorities and request legal representation rather than attempting to alter or contaminate evidence yourself. If your aim is safety or risk reduction, there are lawful, constructive steps you can take. Enroll in certified firearm safety training, use approved safes and locks, and obtain required permits. These actions reduce accidents and legal exposure. Once done, if you face legal questions about evidence or liability, make sure to contact a qualified attorney immediately and avoid self-help tactics. Finally, if a firearm is lost or stolen, report it to law enforcement promptly to protect yourself and help investigators recover property.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.